When your operation moves non-stop, your time tracking should too. Manual time tracking slows down fast-moving logistics teams. Fareclock keeps logistics teams connected, accurate, and in control wherever the job takes them. Drivers and warehouse staff clock in on their phone with location verification. Track time by job to understand where your labor hours really go. Automated schedules, break reminders, and alerts help teams stay compliant without slowing down operations. Get real-time attendance, accurate reports, and payroll-ready timesheets all in one system. Fareclock, the #1 time tracking app for logistics teams.